Oh, okay. Malia here with a giant pile of clothes. If you guys didn't know, I went thrifting yesterday and today is Sunday, August 23rd. So I wanted to show you guys what I got. These are fresh out of the dryer so I could make this video, but I wanted to show you guys some of the things that I got. So if you want to see a haul of all the things that I thrifted yesterday, then keep watching. So the first thing that I got is this super cute jean skirt. I have been loving jean skirts lately. I am actually wearing a jean skirt right now, and it's by the same brand as this one, 𝐏𝐬𝐧𝐭𝐞𝐫𝐚𝐦. So I love it so much. I don't know if they still have these in stock because I thrifted them, but it is so cute. I love the distressed look at the bottom, and it's so cute, and it has pockets on the back, so that is an added bonus. And yeah, I'm so excited to wear this. Okay, so this next item I thought is perfect for fall. So it is just this mustard yellow orange color, like Winnie the Pooh vibes, sweatshirt. It is so soft and I love the material. It kind of looks like corduroy, and this was actually quite a journey to get here because one of these ends was actually stuck inside of the hoodie, so only one of them was out, so I had to basically give it surgery. I had to take the end that was out, staple it to a straw, pull it out, then push it back in. It was a whole thing. If you want to see a video on how to get the strings back in your hoodie, then let me know. But I'm so glad I was able to because this is so cute, so soft, and I can't wait to wear it everywhere. So perfect for fall. Love it. Okay, so the next thing I got is this denim looking dress. It has like a snowflake star type of pattern on it. It is so cute. I don't think I have many jean dresses, so I'm excited to add this to my wardrobe. And yeah, I'm just so excited to wear it. It's so cute. I love the color. It's super soft, and let me see what brand. It's Old Navy. So that's pretty cool. I like Old Navy stuff. I mean, I get stuff from them at Goodwill, but it is so cute. And it has pockets, and like, who doesn't love a good dress with pockets? I don't know, but I do, so I'm so excited to wear this. This next thing I am so excited about. So if you know me, then you know that olive green is my absolute favorite color at the moment. It's also giving me fall vibes. I love this jean skirt. It is so cute. It is a corduroy material. It is pretty soft, and I just love it. It's also by Forever 21, and I love thrifting Forever 21 stuff because I do not support fast fashion. So when I can find stuff at thrift stores, I really love that because I can keep using it, keep wearing it after a good wash. And this is so cute. I cannot wait to wear this with some cute fall outfits. Okay, this next shirt, I can't actually show you the backup because it has kind of my location on it, but it says Young Life Wildlife on the front of it, and it is a Young Life Wildlife t-shirt. And if you don't know what that is, it's like a youth group Christian type of thing, and if you don't know, I'm a Christian. So Wildlife was something I went to before the virus, of course, so I'm glad to be wearing their stuff and supporting them, and it's super cute, and it's also my school colors, so I can probably wear it with the uniform. Okay, this next shirt is also a Young Life shirt, but it says my location again on the front and the back this time. So it's just a plain blue shirt with the logo in the corner. Super cute. Cannot wait to wear it. Okay, so this next thing that I'm about to show you guys is so cute. It is the most me dress I've ever seen, and oh my goodness, it is just this really pretty like off-white color, and then it has red like underneath parts, and it's so cute. I tried it on yesterday and I spun around in it, and the skirt just went like, you know how dresses are when you spin around, and it's just so cute. I love the colors, of course, giving me fall vibes, and I'm so excited to add this to my wardrobe and wear it. It is such a cute dress for really anything, like events, church, or just to wear around. So cute, and I absolutely love it. Last but not least, I have this black denim skirt. So I'm so excited to be getting a bunch of colored denim skirts because previous to this thrift haul, I only had some navy blue ones and then some like light washed blue, like light blue skirts. So those are so cute, but I'm excited to get some color to them. So I found this black one and I knew I had to get it. It is originally from American Eagles, but of course I thrifted it. That's what this whole video is. It is so cute, and again, I love the distressing at the bottom, so cute. And then this is what the back looks like. I love that it has pockets. I mean, I feel like most jean skirts do, but some of them that I have don't, so it's always nice to have those, and it's just so cute, and I can't wait to pair it with some cute clothes and make some cute outfits. So that is all that I have for this thrift haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you like thrift hauls and you want to see more, I do go thrifting pretty often, so leave me a comment letting me know that you want to see more thrift hauls. And if you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, definitely subscribe, and also hit the notification bell, because if you're just subscribed, you probably won't see my videos unless you click the notification bell, so you'll get notified every time I upload a video. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.